everyone, how are you? Welcome back. So for today, I'm going to show you how to do this really cool bubble holiday nail art on these two nails right over here. And this look is inspired by a video that I saw on TikTok. Let's get started and let me show you everything I'm going to use. The colors that I've used so far, these two nails right over here, I used this color right over here, number 39 from Magic Gel Black Gold. And that's what it looks like. And then for these two nails, I used the color French Perfume from the Lack It line number 78. This is my inspiration for the nail art, and the nail tech, I'm going to put her social media account below so you can see, so you can go check out her work. But I was inspired by this and I wanted to give this a try. I'm going to use the universal white. So let's draw on the white sections where I want the bubbles to go. And I'm going to do half of this white. So I'm going to grab a different brush and put the white all over there. I have this whole sheet of nail decals, so instead of hand drawing a snowflake, I'm actually going to take one of these, cut them in half, and that is going to sit right against that white line. So let's pick one out. Okay, there we go. Let's cut this in half. The shiny top coat I'm using is from Magic Gel and it's the Tackless Hyper Shine. So now that this is done, we want to do the bubble part. So what you're going to need is a tack-free top coat. I'm going to go back in with the shiny top coat. You need a container filled with water and some dish soap. Shake it up so that way you can get all of these bubbles. So that's why I'm using this container. What you're going to need to do is take your shiny top coat and you're going to apply this on the white area only, because that is what we want to have that bubble effect with. Make sure you get that line nice and straight. Pick it up like this. I'm going to roll this onto the nail like so. Make sure all the white is covered with that soap and bubble mixture. Once you do, pop this in the lamp and cure this according to manufacturer's instructions. And when this comes out, you're going to take a lint-free wipe and just pat everything and just wipe any of that residue off. Like when you're done, it's going to look something like this. It's actually really freaking cool. I never thought to do this. I'm going to go in with the styler gels from Magic Gel, and this is the gold one, and this is what it looks like. This cures tack free. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a really thin gold line going, separating the white from the snowflake. I'm going to go from the top all the way down to the bottom. Okay, so there you go. We're going to pop this in the lamp and give this nail. I'm actually going to have the bottom half all white. around this much, and I have the open space up here. I'm going to do something else. Now let's finish the other one. We're going to go through the same steps just as before. So we already did the white. And now we need to pick our snowflake. And we're going to do half of the snowflake and not the whole thing. Actually, the same snowflake that I used on the other nail, I'm actually going to end up applying the same one on this nail. And that fits right across perfectly. Once again, we're going to go in with the Tackless Hyper Shine top coat. So once again, we're going to do, for the bubbles, you're going to take your shiny, or you can do a matte top coat. You're going to place that all over the white. And take your bubbles and just slide that on there. Okay, and pop this right in the lamp. This is what everything looks like when it is done. Some quick and easy, simple nail art. Let me know if you like this or if you're gonna give this a try. As I said, the inspiration where I got this from, I'm gonna put the nail tech's information in the description box. I will also put in the description box everything that I used. And I hope you like this quick and simple nail art that you can do for the holiday season. I will talk to you soon. Bye.